In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Microsoft Forms for voting. We're going to create a simple, clear voting form that you can share with others, whether it's for a quick team poll, a class election, or just gathering opinions from a group. By the end, you'll have a working form that collects responses in an organized way without needing any advanced setup. First, open Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser, or by opening it through your Microsoft 365 apps if your organization uses those. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you want the form to be saved. Once you're in, you'll land on the main forms homepage where you'll see any existing forms you've created plus options to start something new. Next, click New Form. This creates a blank form that you can customize for your voting. You'll see a title area at the top along with a description area underneath. It's a good idea to give your form a clear title that explains what people are voting on, like team logo vote or class representative election. In the description, you can briefly explain any rules or context, such as how many options they should choose or when the voting will close. Now you're ready to add the actual voting question. Click the option to add a question and choose choice as the question type. The choice question is designed specifically for multiple options, which makes it perfect for voting. In the question text, write a clear prompt like, please select your preferred option, or who would you like to vote for? Keeping the wording straightforward helps avoid confusion and makes it easier for participants to respond quickly. Under the question, you'll see fields where you can enter the different options people can vote for. Click into the first option and type the first choice, then move to the next option field and add the second choice, and so on. If you need more options than what appears by default, select the button to add another option and continue until all choices are listed. Make sure each option is labeled clearly so participants understand exactly what they're selecting. If you want everyone to cast only one vote, make sure the setting for multiple answers is turned off so each person can choose just a single option. If your voting allows people to select more than one choice, you can turn that setting on instead. You can also decide whether this question should be required, which is usually a good idea for a voting form, so no one submits a blank response. Once your question and options look good, it's time to share the form so people can vote. Click the send button near the top of the page. This opens up several sharing options. You can copy a link to the form and paste it into an email, a chat, or a document. You might also see options to generate a QR code or share directly to certain apps depending on what's available in your account. Choose the sharing method that works best for your audience and make sure your form's permissions allow the right people to respond, such as anyone with the link or only people in your organization. After that, you're all set. Your Microsoft Forms voting form is ready and participants can start casting their votes right away.